Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 24th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. We're starting on the daily time frame. So the trend is definitely down on the daily. We are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement. Definitely could be an area of support where we see a bounce. And if we do get like a nice engulfing move to the upside or a break of structure to the upside on sort of time frames, I'll be more than happy to start becoming bullish much more aggressively. But as of right now, the daily time frame is telling us really to do nothing but look for shorts because it's doing nothing but making lower lows, lower highs. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, if we do get a solid breaker structure up, which to me it does look like it possibly will, because we have a nice 78% fib bounce. If we get a nice breaker structure up right here, then I definitely would become very, very bullish because that would be a higher low on the daily, and that means it potentially could go up for either a wave C or a wave 3 on the daily, which would take out both of these highs. So we're waiting to see if it breaks structure. If it does, I'll be more than happy to become much more aggressive with my longs. If it doesn't break structure and either rejects structure or makes a lower high, then keep in mind that the daily trend is down and it could just keep on trending down at any point. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.